morning po. Okay naman, sir.
Taga saan ka, Sir Homer?
From Bulacan, Malolos, Bulacan.
From Bulacan. So, saan kang client ng iPhones na na-deploy?
Alshaya din.
Alshaya. Where specifically?
Bound to KSA.
Okay. Saudi.
Good day po sa lahat ng nanonood ng aming feature for today, no? Because after 8 years, now he's one of the hiring managers ng Raising Cane's, one of the restaurant ng Alshaya Group. Kumusta ang trabaho sa Middle East?
Sobrang maganda po. I mean, but before that, I mean, the feeling is so surreal. Parang di ko maipaliwanag.
Yes.
Diba? Dati kang aplikante, tapos ngayon, recruiter ka na. So, I feel like I'm back at home again sa iPalms. And grabe yung hospitality ng iPalms.
When you were hired noong 2016, what was your position? No?
Restaurant supervisor.
And ngayon, ano na ang trabaho natin?
Brand training manager na po ako ngayon after 8 years. And not only that, auditing manager na rin po ako ng Raising Cane's. And major project ko ngayon is to open restaurant. So, opening manager or growth manager, tatawagin namin siya.
Wow!
So, 3 major departments po yung hawak niya.
Oo. Hindi ba naging hadlang that you are a Filipino, tapos sometimes kasi we have insecurity sa mga Westerners
True.
handling the high position. So in your case, have you experienced the same and how you were able to overcome it?
Not at all, kasi wala pong discrimination doon sa brand. Yun po yung greatest, grateful kami. Kasi yung brand, they don't look at your skin color or even nationality. They look at your skills, of course, your dedication. So kung mahal mo yung craft mo or yung job mo, they will definitely support you.
Pwede bang malaman ano ba ang transition na nangyari to your family? Because I remember from the video, kasama mo ang tatay mo.
Opo, fact, nung nag-apply po ako kasi 3.5 years po ako hindi nakauwi sa Pilipinas dahil OFW na po ako bago pa ako ma-hire ni Alshaya. I don't wanna be too emotional pero I think na-achieve ko po yung one of the biggest dream. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, I will be the son of my parents na magbibigay ng dream car nila.
Wow!
So, naibigay ko po sa kanila yung dream van, family van namin. And at the same time, yung gino-joke lang ni daddy na I want a house with sala, second floor, na pa-renovate ko na po yung bahay na.
Wow! What can you leave a message sa mga first time na gusto mag-abroad or those na gusto mag-try again to work abroad?
Lakasan ng loob, okay? Kailangan buo na talaga yung decision before you even, decide na mag-abroad ka.
I see.
So, for all who are parang nag-strive na first time to go abroad, chase lang ng dreams, habulin, mo lang siya. I-try mo lang ng i-try, until you get there. And then, when you get there, of course, you have to look back kung sino yung mga tao na tumulong sa'yo. And stay grounded kasi whatever you will achieve, it's nice to have that feeling of success kapag humble ka pa rin sa lahat ng mga naging achievement. So, all the best sa inyong lahat and being with iPalms. So, I will take the opportunity. Opo. So, I know that hopefully, it will not be the last time that I will come for recruitment, of course. And even I promise myself, sa next vacation ko, dadaan ako dito.
Yes, please!
Opo, bigyan ko kayong pasalubong. Yun po. Thank you to iPalms kasi I'm a proud, I would say, product of iPalms. Yeah. So, and hopefully, every year, I will still see the same people na we have given like VIP hospitality. They are so hospitable in here and I'm just grateful to be part of iPalms.
From applicant experience, candidate experience namin, ngayon siya na po ang ating employer. So, employer experience. Thank you very much sa mga kind words mo, Homer.
Yes.
Until next recruitment event.
Yes, opo, yes,
okay,
of course.
And thank you very much for having us this few minutes of your time para lang share natin yung message mo and story mo sa ating mga viewers.
Likewise, thank you very much po.
Thank you.
Alright.
Thank
Okay
you.
po. Thank you. Good luck everyone. Bye.